Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you inside the cutting-edge Ford Cologne Electric Vehicle Center to see how the brand new all-electric Ford is produced. Join us as we explore the state-of-the-art technology, advanced robotics, and sustainable practices that transform Ford's historic plant into a modern EV production powerhouse. From the initial assembly to the final touches, you'll get an exclusive look at every step of the manufacturing process that brings these innovative electric vehicles to life. Let's dive in and discover how Ford has commenced mass production of the all-electric Ford Explorer at its newly inaugurated Cologne Electric Vehicle Center, marking a milestone in the company's European EV strategy. This state-of-the-art facility, established through a $2 billion transformation of Ford's historic Cologne plant, symbolizes the brand's commitment to high-quality electric vehicle production. The all-electric Explorer is the first vehicle to emerge from the new production line, representing a blend of German engineering and American design with an impressive driving range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge. A second electric vehicle, a new sports crossover, will soon follow, with production starting later this year in Cologne. Kieran Cahill, Vice President of Manufacturing for Ford in Europe and the International Markets Group, highlighted the significance of this development, transforming the Cologne factory, founded by Ford in 1930, into a modern electric vehicle production facility is nothing short of amazing. The start of mass production of the new all-electric Explorer marks the beginning of a new era for Ford in Europe. The Cologne Electric Vehicle Center epitomizes the factory of the future, utilizing advanced AI and a fleet of over 600 sophisticated robots to ensure precision, efficiency, and quality in EV production. The facility features a digital twin system that monitors the entire assembly process in real time, enhancing quality control and operational efficiency. Employees also use touchscreens to provide real-time updates on their workstations, ensuring every step of the manufacturing process meets the highest standards. Renee Wolf, Managing Director of Manufacturing at Ford Werke GmbH, stated, "By monitoring and controlling every step of the manufacturing process, Ford will achieve unprecedented levels of quality for our customers." Sustainability is a cornerstone of the Cologne Electric Vehicle Center, which aims to be one of Ford's most efficient plants globally. The facility is designed to minimize emissions, water usage, and energy consumption, operating entirely on certified renewable electricity and biomethane. Ford is committed to achieving carbon neutrality across its European production facilities, logistics, and direct suppliers by 2035. The company will continuously monitor and improve the carbon efficiency of the Cologne plant, aiming for independent certification of its greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions data according to the latest international standards. Overall, the launch of the all-electric Ford Explorer from the Cologne Electric Vehicle Center signifies a pivotal moment in Ford's journey towards a sustainable and electrified future. And that wraps up our tour of how the brand new electric Ford is produced. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the Ford Cologne Electric Vehicle Center. It's incredible to see the blend of advanced technology, robotics, and sustainable practices that bring these innovative vehicles to life. If you found this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.